Good day. Hey, my name is Robert Farrell. You're about to watch a great recipe on YouTube. Let me share with you how I can get you your own recipe website. Now, you don't have to have your recipes. You can curate recipes from YouTube. This is one of my prize students, Becky. She launched her site less than 2 weeks ago. She's already earned more than $700. This is a complete turnkey system. So the only thing I ask is click the banner ad, go to my website, and you'll be able to learn how to do this 100% for free. I also have a roadmap to share with you how to make six figures within the next 12 to 15 months. Now, before you go, here's another reason to get my turnkey websites. This little device here is called Grilly. I discovered this months ago, and I've been using this to barbecue amazing stuff like peach and salmon, meatballs, Italian hot dogs, food with imagination. This simple device can be yours. On mygrilly.com, this device goes for $30 a piece, plus shipping. You'll get 2 of these with a purchase of my turnkey website. But before you buy anything, simply click the banner ad, go check out my free video series and decide what you want to do. Now, I've been using this for the past 2 months, and similar to the Instant Pot, which a lot of people, there's millions of subscribers out there for that. Imagine if you had your own channel and did barbecue recipes using the Grilly. That would separate you from the rest of the herd. So I'm here to help you every step of the way. A complete turnkey system will give you the opportunity to earn online. More importantly, you do not have to post your own recipes. Now, you could do a combination of both. What I do is I post my own recipes, but then I curate other recipes that I like from YouTube. So click the banner ad, go check out my free how-to training and the roadmap to a 6-figure income within the next 12 to 15 months. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. And if you do decide to sign up for my turnkey system, you'll get 2 of these, including free shipping. This is a game changer. I was absolutely amazed. I bought those square cage things. They don't work properly. This actually rotates and marinates the food together. You're going to love this product. Anyway, talk to you soon. My name is Robert Farrell. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020.